In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best toaster ovens to buy this year. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the toaster ovens mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any product on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let us go straight to the video. Number 5. Cuisinart Steam and Convection Oven. The Cuisinart brand has been a household favorite for decades. With 1,800 watts of power, the model number CSO301, a steam and convection oven, will cook entire meals and bake too. Don't be confused by its name. It also toasts and broils and is a convection oven too. With this unit, you will have the steaming capabilities so that you never need to use oil or anything greasy with your cooked items for better health. The oven works at 120 minutes for uninterrupted steady steam. Additionally, you can clean this oven with its steam power that makes it a cinch to clean without working hard at it. Simply open the right side, add water to the 47-ounce removable water reservoir, close, and follow directions for time in your user's manual instructions. The dimensions to fit your counter space are 22.05 inches long by 17.32 inches wide by 13.27 inches tall. It will bake and proof bread, rolls, pretzels, and donuts, increasing moisture content faster and better than in a conventional oven. This oven cooks 40% quicker than our normal ovens do as well. It will reheat leftovers, never drying them out. With a 0.60 cubic feet of space, you can bake an entire whole chicken up to 4.5 pounds, a 12-inch pizza, and make toast. Select from the 9 single and combination functions to bake, broil, steam, and poach eggs, as well as vegetables that are crisp outside and tender inside. Poach your fish and poultry, and steam rice using any combination modes of broil or bake functions for the best roast, crispy outside and juicy tender inside. Number 4. The Instant Omni Plus. The Instant Omni Plus is ideal for air frying fans. It also best suits for those who frequently find themselves multitasking in the kitchen or preparing food for a family of more than 4 members. Though it is cheaper, it has a roomier capacity and comes with almost all the features you'll find in other picks. This oven seems to have it all: a large LCD, one-touch 11 cooking functions, efficient convection fan, and useful accessories for convenient cooking. With an air fryer setting, this oven comes with the advantages of cutting back on fatty oils while still offering the same but far healthier outcomes. It is a great solution for those who are craving for fried food but want to limit the overall calories consumed. When the oven is in the air frying mode, it works by circulating hot air around the food at high speed to get a crispy layer more quickly with little or no oil. So apart from supporting your wellness, this model also works faster than conventional ovens, reducing the cooking time by around 20%. Besides an air fry feature that helps reduce the fat content of fried foods by up to 80%, this oven also offers several notable improvements in design and feature set. These new additions include a dehydration feature, which is great for drying raw food, a super convection fan setting that aids in enhancing the fan speed for better crisping, and an easy-to-use temperature cooking time dial that allows you to adjust the settings to customize your dish just the way you like it. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach Easy Reach Toaster Oven, model number 31123D on Amazon, is a roll-top opening door that makes food easy to reach and remove. The door frame and front are stainless steel and the sides and top are a gray finish. With 1,400 watts of power, this toaster oven is the latest and newest model, but does not have an interior light. One of the good things about this design is the way the door opens, saving you countertop space. You won't need to slide out a rack to add cheese to pizza while it's cooking or, after it's done, going to the plate or table. With a door not under the food rack, crumbs and juices will not fall on the floor for cleaning up later. Both the roll-top door and crumb tray are easy to remove and clean, being ever so convenient. The crumb tray is easy to get to and remove at the front of the toaster oven rather than the bottom. You will also like the contoured knobs for turning that are easy to get your fingers around. And you will love the timer knob that has a stop spot for keeping the stay on function that prevents it from being turned off accidentally. This makes the setting safer that goes from bake, broil, and toast easily. The oven holds a 9 by 12 inch baking pan, 6 slices of bread for toasting, and a 12-inch pizza pan. It has 2 rack positions to put your foods where you want and cook at the same time. It has 2 heating elements on the top and 2 on the bottom, and the minimum and maximum temperatures are 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Black & Decker Convection Oven. This Black & Decker is a smart choice if you're looking for a convection toaster oven with conventional controls in a large capacity. It is a durable kitchen appliance fashioned from sturdy stainless steel that should more than meet your needs for years to come. Its extra-wide interior can accommodate up to 8 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza. It's also roomy enough to fit most standard oven pans with handles. The Black & Decker convection oven has several enhancements that set it apart from a standard toaster oven. Its convection function in particular adds major appeal. In addition to the convection baking, the oven is also good at broiling, toasting, reheating, and keeping food warm. To give you the best possible cooking experience, it features state-of-the-art electronic controls with 4 settings for specific types of food. Many seem to appreciate the oven's 60-minute timer, which automatically shuts everything off when the bake time is done. Extreme versatility is the name of the game for this large-capacity toaster oven. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Convection Toaster Oven. The Breville with the Smart Oven Pro features is the #1 Amazon choice model with a brushed stainless steel housing, the best for beauty in your kitchen, and is the top-rated toaster oven for having in your kitchen. Stainless steel toaster oven, it is also available in black sesame or cranberry to match your kitchen decor or be a contrasting color to go with other kitchen items. With 1,800 watts of power, the model number BOV845BSS is the latest and newest model. This stainless steel toaster oven gets rave reviews and the best in the marketplace. The Element IQ controls the heating elements and transports the heat to where it needs to be for what you are cooking. It has 10 preset cooking functions for toasting 6 slices of bread at one time, bagels, to bake, roast, broil, make 13-inch pizzas, and cookies. It will reheat leftovers, slow cook and warm, roast a small whole chicken, and a 9-cup muffin tray easily. It is also convection powered with a fan built into the inside to circulate the hot air within the oven. The entire bottom and insides are non-stick for easy cleaning. The convection setting reduces cooking time by up to 30%. The largest pan it will fit is 9 by 13 inches. It will hold most 3.5-quart Dutch ovens with a lid and a 5-quart vessel with foil lid. You will receive a 12 by 12-inch enamel baking pan, a 12 by 12-inch enamel broiling rack, and a 13-inch nonstick pizza pan. The slow cook function will automatically keep warm for up to 2 hours. You can set it at high for 2 to 8 hours and at low for 4 to 10 hours. The oven works from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to a high temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Bonus option, Breville BOV 800XL Smart Oven. This digital convection oven, which can accommodate 6 slices of bread and a pizza of up to 13 inches, is definitely pricier than many other models. But we're talking about the best, not the cheapest. The toaster oven includes 9 cooking functions designed for different types of food, including sandwiches, cookies, pizza, and chicken breasts. These functions allow you to set the time, temperature, and cooking method: broil, toast, bake, warm, refrozen, slow cook. For some of the most common toaster meals without having to mess with other knobs or dials or rely on guesswork to find the best settings. The oven uses the Element IQ heating system to transfer heat across 5 quartz elements for precise and stable cooking with even heat distribution. With 1,800 watts of power, the oven is able to heat up quickly, getting your meals to the table in no time. Other convenient features enhance the smart oven's usability, such as a slow cooking function designed for long cook times at low temperatures, a blacklist, easy-to-read LCD display for easy control, and a non-stick cavity coating to simplify cleanup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.